In today's video, I'd like to show you how to automate sending tabular Power BI data by mail to different users based on filtering criteria. Here we've got a simple report displaying weekly sales result per salesman and region. What we want to do is to send this as a table to different managers we're working with. Each of them will be interested in different data. For example, David, for whom we're filtering data right now, is only interested in data for 2 specific salesmen. What we need to do is to download DAX query from the table. We achieve it by going to Performance Analyzer, selecting the table and copying the DAX query. We jump straight to the SharePoint, where we have list of managers with corresponding emails, where we will be sending out the info. And what we have here is a simple Power Automate flow that will on weekly schedule loop through SharePoint list and send tabular data by email. Run query against dataset action is where we copy and paste the DAX code from the Power BI. And since we've filtered out data for David now, we can easily replace his name with dynamic content from SharePoint list. Next step would be to create HTML table from the Power BI data. And then the last, most important step is to send out an email based on SharePoint selection, so to specific manager and corresponding work email. We fill the send mail action with dynamic content from SharePoint list. Power BI data that we send will now be presented as a simple HTML table in the message. We're all done, and it's time for us to test out the flow. And we've come to end result. Here are our 4 emails, sent to each manager separately. In the message, we've got same data as in Power BI, aim achieved. Next step would be to format the table. But that's for the next episode.